cloze test or passages. In a cloze test, usually a passage is given with 10 or 12 blank spaces. You are required to fill in the blanks with an appropriate word out of the given options. The purpose of the cloze test is to judge the grammatical knowledge, vocabulary power, and the common sense of the candidates. You must go through the whole passage before starting to answer the questions. Sometimes one or two blanks appear somewhat difficult to answer or seem to have more than one correct answer. The answer of these blanks may have some links with the next sentence, so it is always better to read out the whole passage again. A second reading will make you understand the passage comfortably. It must be understood well that good knowledge of grammar, good command over vocabulary, and a little common sense will be of utmost help in answering such questions. Cloze test is aimed to judge your knowledge of English grammar, your command over vocabulary, and your common intelligence. Directions in the following passage. There are blanks, each of which has been numbered. These numbers are printed below the passage, and against each number 5 words are suggested, of which only one fits the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. Here is the passage. The world-famous scientist Albert Einstein called his brand of religion cosmic religion. Yonder there is a huge world which exists 1. Of human beings and which stands 2. Us like a great eternal riddle, at least partially accessible to our inspection and thinking. And he went 3. To make the famed statement, science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. Interestingly, Raja Ramanna, who towered in the field of atomic sciences, was also 4. Interested in philosophy and 5. With the scriptures. In one of his lectures, he made this 6. On the convergence of physics and metaphysics. We know the quantum entanglement is a physical fact and can also be 7. Larger than microscopic systems. It seems that we are all tied up by the 8. Connection, and it may become another way of communicating with another, leading to a collective moksha where distinctions between chit and achit are fully 9. Such possibilities 10. Remote exist. For the first blank, the options are 1. Devoid, 2. Independent, 3. Lack, 4. That, 5. In spite of. The correct answer here is option 2, independent. Yonder there is a huge world which exists independent of human beings would make sense. The second blank, the options are 1. With, 2. Against, 3. Behind, 4. Before, 5. For. The correct answer here is option 4. Yonder there is a huge world which exists independent of human beings and which stands before us like a great eternal riddle. Makes sense. The third blank options are 1. Far, 2. Out, 3. Off, 4. On, 5. Away. The correct answer here is option 4, on. And he went on to make the famed statement would make sense. The fourth blank options are 1. More, 2. Deep, 3. Seldom, 4. Quiet, 5. Keenly. The correct answer here is option 5. The sentence would read as, Raja Ramanna, who towered in the field of atomic science, was also keenly interested in philosophy. For blank 5, the options are 1. Learned, 2. Read, 3. Acquainted, 4th, thought. 5. Studied. The correct answer here is option 3, acquainted. The sentence would read as, Raja Ramanna was also keenly interested in philosophy and well acquainted with the scriptures. The options for blank 6 are 1. Observation, 2. Correction, 3. Modification, 4. Rule, 5. Decision. The correct answer here is option 1, observation. The sentence would read as, in one of his lectures, he made this observation on the convergence of physics and metaphysics. The options for blank 7 are 1. Extended, 2. Treated, 3. Attached, 4. Presented, 5. Made. The correct answer is option 1, extended. The sentence would read as, we know the quantum entanglement is a physical fact and can also be extended larger than microscopic systems. The options for blank 8 are 1. Detachable, 2. Mysterious, 3. Superficial, 4. Imperfect, 5. Electrical. The correct answer here is option 2, mysterious. The sentence would read as, it seems that we are all tied up by the mysterious connection and it may become another way of communicating. The options for blank 9 are 1. Exchanged, 2. Neglected, 3. Dissolved, 4. Exposed, 5. Integrated. The correct answer here is option 3, dissolved. The sentence would read as, leading to a collective moksha where distinctions between chit and achit are fully dissolved. The options for blank 10 are 1. If, 2. Being, 3. Though, 4. With, 5. Very. The correct answer here would be option 3, though. The sentence reads as, such possibility, though remote, exists.